If you turn a lot of acrylics like I do, you've probably noticed not all of them shine or finish as easy as the others. And this is because not all acrylics are made the same. Your commercial grade acrylics are much harder, as are some of your polyester resins, custom casts. So they're going to finish a little easier because it's a harder resin. Your epoxies and urethanes are a little softer, so you're going to have to work harder. Now you can either spend all your time buffing and polishing and micromeshing, or you can apply a GluBoost finish to it and you'll be done in 5 minutes. So what I like to do is this. After I get the blank turned down and the surface is level and smooth from sanding and steel wool, I'll apply 3 or 4 coats of this new Fill and Finish Ultra Thin. Like before, it fills all the scratches, makes the surface nice and smooth, but it also starts to build up a protective layer. Now what a lot of people don't realize is your resins will dull with normal use because it's softer. But if you apply a GluBoost finish over the top of that, now you've got a hard surface that you can easily wipe down with the dry cloth after daily use of that pen and bring back that shine. It'll hold up much longer, it'll be more durable than the resin itself. So to give you a better example of what I'm talking about, when I apply a GluBoost finish over top of resin, this blank I turned down, I prepped the entire blank the same way. I sanded it, I steel wooled it, and then on side A I left naked resin, and on side B I applied a GluBoost finish. I applied 4 layers of the new Fill and Finish Ultra Thin. I then micro meshed the entire blank, wet sanded it, and then I buffed it. And as you can see, both still have a shine, but side A, the naked resin, is a little duller, the colors aren't as vibrant, and you can still see some fine scratches in there from the sanding. On side B, with the Ultra Thin Fill and Finish, you can see the colors are more bold, everything's shinier, smoother, and it's a much harder surface, so it will hold up with day-to-day use much longer than the naked resin. Well, what do you think? Looks pretty easy? That's because it is. GluBoost is easy to use. Not only does it give you a high durable quality finish, but it also saves you a ton of time in your finishing process. So if you haven't tried it, give their Fill and Finish products a try. And for those of you that are using it, wait till you get some of this. You're going to love it. Rick, thank you and the team for coming up with a new product. I'm going to be using a lot of it. I'm John Underhill. Thanks for watching.